I'm good.
Alright, tell me when to go. Hey, you're good friend! Alright. All I was gonna say is my ball sack does crap! Alright, I'm gonna start rapping. My name is Joker. Bitch, you won't smoker. I smoked so many trees, I had splinters in my toaster. I can rap all day and night selling weed in my motherfucking building. Girl, what you thinking when I'm still stankin'? I go hard with these motherfucking gangsters. Bitch, what you thinking when I'm still stankin'? I be seeing those girls who be wearing them pearls, probably going to Paris to see something hilarious. Man, I be seeing them fools trying to act cool, thinking they cool, but they not, cause they got shot by Tupac, and I put you in a pot. People thinking you cool, but you're not, cause I took over your slot. Bro, when I get in the car, I look on my golf course, making them pause. And Robert is out. Now here's my final move.